Good morning, I'm Irish Luma BS in 3-week in class. So today I'm going to perform the bladder irrigation. Bladder irrigation is a procedure in which sterile solution is introduced into the bladder through urinary catheter to cleanse the bladder. The purpose is to prevent blood clots or to remove blood clots and to maintain catheter patency and to prevent bladder distension. So to start with, always remember that in every procedure you should check the doctor's order. Then after that, let the patient inform the patient, explain the procedure to the patient, gather all the equipments needed, and do hand washing before and after every procedure. So, and now gather all the equipments needed. Like I have here the sterile water and the 5cc syringe. You're going to use this if there is a blood clots. Then I have here the gauze to clean the catheter, and I have also here you can use the sterile cotton balls with alcohol to clean the area of the catheter. Then I have here the measuring cup, assuming this is a measuring cup, and I have here the kidney basin. Then and also I have here the 3-lumen catheter. So the triple lumen catheter. The triple lumen catheter, this is for the balloon, and this is for the drainage, and this is for the irrigation. So you're going to place here the irrigation. So, and also I have the irrigation bag here. I hung it already. Irrigation bag with the tubing. And with the tubing, and in the tubing here is the chamber. The chamber. I'm going to show you the chamber, the clamp, and the tubing. You're going to regulate the flow of the irrigation during the procedure. This one, you can adjust this with the chamber. So, then, and I have the gloves. So, before touching the patient, should wash your hands. So, I explained it already to my patient, the procedure. Then, I verify the patient. Then, I explained it already to the patient, the procedure. So, I'm going to wear the gloves. So, I also have the drainage bag here. This is my drainage bag. So, to start with the procedure, di maklaro. Yeah. To start the procedure, so, sa man pasyente oy kayo. So, to start with the procedure, so check first the catheter of your patient. So, okay, so before inserting the irrigation, you should disinfect the site you're going to insert. So this one, I'm going to use the cotton balls. So I wipe the area, or you can also use the sterile OS with alcohol to make sure that the disinfect na nimo ang area. So then discard. So you can now insert the irrigation. So insert it to the irrigation hole. This one, oh, dali mo siya insert. Unang, you can use the triple lumen catheter. After that, you can now on the irrigation. So the irrigation I use is you can use the sterile solution. This is a saline, cleaning SS. You can use that one. Or sterile solution, sterile water, NSS, saline. Okay. Then after that, then you can on. Then always check the site. Always check the catheter if there is flow. Flow na siya dali if you want this tubing. Then check it here. If you notice any dark red color of the output of the patient, if you notice the dark red color of the output of the patient, you may regulate the irrigation. So make it fast. Okay, para to drain the blood, to drain all the bloody color, the dark color urine. Then until it's turned pink, so you can regulate it until it's turned pink. You can regulate it already. So pink na siya, assuming na pink na siya. No, Philippines pwede man na mo makita ang color sa urine and here. This is the red na siya, pink na kunuhay siya na. So always remember that kung then if ever na blood clot, so if ever there is a blood clot, you can use the 50 cc syringe. Then you can withdraw the blood clots. Then after that, you can check the output of the patient. Then since our irrigation bag have already a number to measure the output of the patient, so you can measure it. If small amount ra gyud siya, you cannot measure it here, so you can use a measuring container. So sabi na mo siya. Adjust ako ano. Salot. Then okay, then after that, then close. Then hang it to the side of the table. Then after that, after you cleanse the bladder of the patient, so close. Then remove it from the catheter, and then close. Then hang it already here for the next schedule of the irrigation of the bladder of our patient. So do not forget that after every procedure, you should document the time you perform the procedure, and what procedure did you perform, the characteristic of the output, if it is color, what color, the amount, like that. So then do aftercare, then remove gloves, do aftercare, and then wash your hands. Thank you.